Hello everyone and welcome back to Stationeers. So, I believe in the last episode I was about to, I was about to go outside for a mining trip. For that I should check exactly what we need. So let's put everything inside into one printer. We have some iron and steel in this one. There we go. Anything else? Yes, we have some silver and nickel here. So, let's see. We should get some iron, maybe a bit of silver and nickel. Definitely need gold and silver for the electrum. And I think we are okay on everything else. Okay. So before I go outside, I think I will turn everything off so we can actually make some power. I will turn back everything when I got back home. Should I? Yeah, I will leave the light off as well. So, let me bust out my miner. Oh yeah, before I leave, I better put down everything I don't need on myself. So we can actually... Oh yeah. Before I leave, I would like to place down the wind turbines. So I will keep the cables on myself. I will leave the paint right here. Anything else? Anything else? I think we are fine. So, first of all, let's deal with the power. So, first of all, we will need the frames. There we go. So, you go here and you go here. Then I will place the actual wind turbines. There we go, and there we go. Let's place the cables as well. For that we need the cable cutters. Let's see, I think it's here. Yes, it is. Then go out straight by 2 spaces and corner into the main line. Okay, so next up we need the arc welder and the steel sheets. Then we need the cable cutters and the small cables. And last we need the screwdriver. There we go. Now we have 6 turbines. So we should not put, as I said, we shouldn't place down too many, because if we have a storm and they all run at full speed, 10 of them will short out even these cables. So let's see, let's switch belts. Here is my mining drill and I will see you in a couple minutes. Okay, we are back home. So let me turn back everything I turned off. So you and you. I believe, yes, I turned out the heater as well. anything else? I think that was it. Oh yeah, the light. So, we should start making some power again soon. So as I was saying, we were out mining. So let's start with Electrum. Come on. Oh wait, for Electrum this is too hot, I think. Let's see. Ingots. Electrum. No, that should be fine. The pressure is too high. So I will eject this. Let's make sure we don't actually mix anything up. So let's see. I think we can do the iron. Also, let me put back that lever so we don't actually eject anything we don't want to eject for now. So yes, we are making iron. Okay, this will make us the iron. That's it. Maybe I will also melt this one small piece. There we go. So you go in here. The next one. Let's go with the silver. Thank you. I will turn my filter back on. Okay, so perfect. Now we have extra silver, which will come in handy for the medium filters. Then let me just quickly melt the nickel. And after that I will start outgassing. The nickel, I don't know, let me put it right here for example. I will also, might as well melt the gold. Maybe the silicon, let me see, make sure we don't mix anything we don't want to mix right now. There we go, and might as well, why not? Let's keep our mining butt clear. So we would like to start outputting. And we need to go below, let's see, I believe 2 point something. 2.4 megapascals. For now I will put back the reagent mix. Okay, I will turn my back on this, let's hope I don't forget, but even if I do, we have all the hot gas we need, so that's fine. Okay, let's see, what else do I want to do today? So I managed to get the materials I needed. Maybe I will... Let's see, I placed down the extra 2 wind turbines. I think I will deal with the filter alarms. For that, as I said in the last episode, I am going to use a pre-written code. So let's see, I would like to use the programming housing, import the empty code. So, and for this, I am going to use a code I written before. So because this is a big code, I'm going to just run you through it and then I will use it. So as usual, we are setting the different devices. We have 3 filtration units and 3 alarm devices. I'm going to use flashing lights for this. As usual, we are starting with a slip command, so we don't do this in quick succession. Now here's the deal. I wanted to write this code that is usable with not just 3 but 1 or 2 filtration units as well. So I'm using this brdns command. Basically this is a branch relative, and so far this is, we are familiar with this. The DNS is a device not set. Basically this checks if I actually set the device on the IC housing, and if it's not set, then it will jump ahead by 3 lines. If it is set, it will just continue like normal. The next one is going to use the ls command. It is the load from a slot with an lsot into the register from the filtration unit that we set here. It will check the 0 and the 1 slots on the unit, and it will load the quantity variable. Basically, how to explain this? Quantity is basically the amount of damage, the amount of durability on the filter. I believe this one actually says from 0 to 1 in fractional numbers. So if it is 1, it is 100% full, but if it is 0, then it is completely damaged. It's unusable at that point. So it will load all these variables from the auto filtration units, and after that it will check if how these variables are. If they are equal to 0, basically if they are damaged, then they will jump to the relevant alarm turn on section of the code. In those sections, they're basically checking if the alarm is also set, same as with the filters. If they are, then they will turn on. If they are not, then they will jump to the relevant label. So after the first one, we are jumping to continue 1. After the second one, we are jumping to continue 2. And after the third filter, we are jumping to the start. And that is all there is to it. Loads the filter quantities. If they are 0, then it will turn on the alarm. If they are not 0, it will turn off the alarm. And that is all there is to it. And I would like to use this both for the atmospherics and for the water generator, because we have filters out there and inside as well. Let you turn off for now so we can make a bit more power. So let's see, for this we need... Okay, I managed to forget about this one. No surprise there. So what do we need exactly? We don't need to use the hot gas, it seems. We can just input some quote-unquote cold air from outside to 800 kilopascals. I will stop outputting, and I think we should be okay. Yes, we have electron. Thank you so much. So at this point, our mining trip is complete. Let's see. Let's quickly print. Let's see. Yet everything's here. So I will move everything into the electronics printer. I have nothing else. Anything else? Anywhere else? Yes. And with all these materials, I will be able to make all the mods for the other printers. So you turn off now. I will turn off my head flashlights. And also you might have noticed that without a flashlight, these shadows are a bit too dark, especially during the night. So I think I will switch out this light for a floodlight so we don't actually see any shadows. Let's see, we need this one. Oh, come on, there it is. So we need the wall. As I said in the messages in the last episode, I know where the rest of the walls are. Maybe during the night I will go outside and pick them up. So for now I'm just going to use this as a wall. There we go, and I will place this one. There we go. Now we have no more shadows, so we can see things much more clearly. I think I will leave the shadow one in here. That's fine. So let's see. Yeah, I was just putting down the rest of the materials. So that's it. And now we have everything we need. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 5 filtration units altogether. So I will print 5 flashing lights. And let's make sure, I'm not going to leave this one. I want to make sure that we only print 5. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let me pick up those walls because we are going to need them. So let's see. I definitely want to have one here. So you will be for here, for example. Where do I want the ones for these? Maybe up there. Let's see. Yeah, I think that is fine. Okay, so let me just quickly label them. So you will be the O2 filter alarm light. Let me move the microphone. This is going to be the CO2 filter alarm light. There we go. And you are the waste filter alarm light. Okay. Now, where do I put the outside filters? Because come on, there we go. I would like to place them here, but then I don't know how to wire them up because I cannot go through here and I cannot go through here because the main line is interfering. Maybe if I move this switch onto this frame, then we can do it, I think. And then I can move the APC. You know what? Yeah, let's do that. So I will pick up the glass first. Oh, come on. There we go. Then I will pick up the actual console. There we go. Let me put the labeler where it belongs. I will also, let's see, let me quickly put down the wall. So you are going there. And then I will place the lights. So you like this and you like this. So this console is going here with a power control and a glass. Let me quickly wire everything up. There we go. So let me move the APC as well. Maybe I will do this like this. And you will come with me with a hand drill. And I think if I place it like this, then this will be fine. So there we go. I will use the cables like this. Let me open up and put back the battery. At this point, I need to keep this one open because I want to manually control it. So I think I will need a bit of extra cabling. So make me some cable coils, please. And I will also need this. Okay, let's see how far that gets us. So you will go... sure, why not? Like this. There we go. You don't... Oh yeah, that's why. Okay. Now you turn off. And this one... Did it remember the settings? Yes, it did. So apparently the settings are tied to the actual chip inside. If you move the chip, it will remember the settings. So now we need... Okay, I think I will need to move this again, because maybe I can put the housing. So let's see. First of all, let's make the housing. For now, only make one. So I will move you again, sorry. And then I will move the cables. Okay, so you will be here, exactly. Let me open up. Let me put in the battery. And I will wire things up again. So, oh my god. I don't pay attention, I am now thirsty. Okay, so how's the water doing? It's a bit low. So, let's quickly finish this up so I can continue making water. So you will go here. You will go like this. No, we need a straight piece. Then we need a T-junction, another T-junction, and then 2 corner pieces. There we go. And we need more cables, of course. Please give me more cables. We have the housing as well. Let's go with 6. Thank you. You will come with me. At this point, I will make the IC chip, but only one. So, we have a straight piece here and then a corner here going down as well. Then I will place down the wall this way. The housing will go here. Yes, and I will place the chip, which is just finished. Okay, first of all, let's make sure we actually write the code to it. So, programming housing, export, you turn off, and we have the code on the chip. So, let's first turn it on for a second. Okay, now we should be able to set these devices, but first let me label. I didn't label the filtration units outside. Let me quickly do that and then I will come back. I can switch out the battery as well. So, yes, you will be the waste filtration. And you will be the H2 filtration. Anything else we need? You are the... you were just fine as you are. Let's just call it pressure regulator. No. Let's call it back pressure because... let's not mix anything up. So gas mixer, that's fine. Yeah, we only needed to rename the actual filtration units. So we can go back inside and we can name the two lights, and that is it. I am going to also color them. So I think I will color this one red. This will be the hydrogen filter. So you go this, you go there, you go back in my pocket. So you will be the H2 filter alarm light, and you will be the waste filter alarm light. Okay. At this point we can set them. So filtration is our... Wait. Why is it just called filtration? Seriously? I said filtration 1, 2, 3. For some reason it doesn't... Oh yes, because it's too long, I think. That's fine. I know that the first device is the alarm, the filtration 1, so let's put it on the waste filtration, and then the alarm 1 will be the waste filtration light. So, oh wait, that's it. So, waste filtration, waste filter alarm light, and then this is going to be the the H2 filtration, that's it, and this will be the H2 filter alarm light. There we go. And when we turn this on, you turn off automatically. Now, when we turn this on, we are going to be able to see if any of the filters require changing. And by the light, I will be able to tell which one. Okay, so at this point, I think I will continue making some water. Yes, we need it. You turn off. So let's do the same for the atmospherics. So we need another housing. After that, we need an IC chip. So while that one is printing, I will wire everything back as they should be. So you will go this way, you will go this way. Okay, it's a bit cramped. Okay. You can be like this. This one is a bit ugly. That's fine. I will need 1, 2, 3 more cables. Let's start with that. So let's make 4 so we don't have any half grams of anything, and then I will make the chip. IC chip. Only one, please. So you will be like this. And then you will be like this. You can turn on, you can turn on, and you can turn on. Where do I put the actual chip? Maybe if I move this down a little bit. So, can I pick up these cables? No. Need to remove the wall first. So, you go there, and I'm going to rearrange a little bit. So You will be a T-junction. And of course I will need more cables. Okay, let's just quickly write the code. So programming housing, export, that's it. And please give me a couple more cables. Let's go for 7. Thank you. We are still not making enough power, but in due time. So, I will place down this wall again, so I can move the IC housing. You are coming with me, and I will put you there. So, it landed on my head. And at this point I can just hook it up to the network. So you go here, and you go like this. Okay, I can put in the chip, initialize it for a second so I can read the device slots, and let's set them up. So I think I already named the filtration units, yes, and the lights as well, perfect. So let's start waste filtration, waste filter alarm light, perfect. Then let's go with CO2 filtration, CO2 filter alarm light. So waste CO, waste CO, that's it. And then we need the O2 filtration. And then we need the O2 filter alarm light. And that's it. You turn off by yourself, you turn off by yourself, you as well, perfect. Same as with the outside ones, as soon as any of the filters depleted, these will start flashing, letting me know that we need to change the filters. Okay, so what's next? Maybe I should color these. Maybe later. So, as I was saying, I should be making the different tool printer mods. I think I will start with the tool printer. Yes, because I would really like to have the extra, the heavy drill. I would like to have the bigger belts, all that stuff, because that is going to be a very big help. We have lots of hot gas. Things are looking up. Am I making water? I am. How many do we have? I mean, how much? Okay, that's good. And we are out of power. For the first time ever, I wish there was a storm, actually. So, let's see, what else can we print here? Anything that's actually... Nuclear battery, I think it's... Yeah, we need Astraloy and Inconel. We don't have those yet. The configurator cartridge would be nice, but it is very situational. The GPS cartridge would also be nice, because that would actually help us get back home in case we get stuck outside in a storm. But for now, let me just quickly upgrade the tool printer. And let's see what we need. So, for the drill heavy, we need steel electrum invar solder. I think we have... Oh, perfect. We have a storm incoming, which will make a lot of power. Maybe we can fill this thing up. So let's see, maybe I can also put one of these batteries in here, since we have the room for it. So let's see, let's empty this one out. We need, what do we need exactly? Steel electrum invar solder. So solder, invar, and steel electrum, right? Yeah, steel and electrum. So electrum and steel. And we have power back in the base. Perfect. So let's make one of these. And after that, I will make the Mark II tool belt, for it which we need iron and constantan. So iron and constantan. And I believe that is the same with what we need for the mining belt. Yes, exactly. Mark II mining belt. I also have my eye on this. This will help us mining a lot. So, first things first. Let me switch out the things in the two different belts. We don't need this one, we have this one. I think I will also make a... what's it called? Yeah, the terrain manipulator. We need gold and copper. So this one and this one. Because we don't really need this pickaxe anymore. And for the terrain manipulator we need a dirt canister. So give me one of those as well. So this one goes into the second device slot. This one goes into this ore slot. That's it. So at this point, this mining belt is empty. I am going to put it here, for example. And then we have the Mark II tool belt. This one, as you can see, has a lot more, actually 4 more things we can place in it. So let's do just that. We can place the 2 different kinds of cables. We can put the tablet, we can put the labeler. I will also put away the old drill. And at this point I should really build the trading depot, the trading landing pad. So this one is empty and you will go in its place. Okay, we are definitely full up. Do I really... I mean, we don't really need to recycle this beer, because I think they maybe give back 1 or half a gram of iron, so I think I'm just going to melt them. This is basically garbage disposal. We don't get anything back, but at least we don't have to store them anymore. So you will go here, the Mark II mining belt goes there. That's it. So we have a storm incoming, which is perfect. I think in the meantime, let's see, anything else I can print from here. Let's see. So we have the bigger belts. For this we need Inconel. I didn't make that one yet, I think. No, I did not. But it's pretty easy, we just need lots of pressure. The temperature is inconsequential. But let's see what else we need. We have the terrain manipulator. Okay, for the glasses, I think we need this one as well. We can make this one right now, but not before we have the glasses. Let's see. We have all the best tools. We can make the Mark II duct tape now. I think we are just fine. So at this point, we are just going to use this for printing the duct tape. So I think I will empty it. So let's make the other mods. At least I hope I have everything I need, because I think I might be running low on solder. Let's see. Let's print out the... Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, we have everything. We just need steel. So, you give me this one, but we definitely need solder. So if you don't mind, I will just make a quick trip and finally take advantage of our new toys. I will place the battery in this one. There we go. I will also place this battery in the terrain manipulator. So, for the second time in this episode, I will see you in a second. Okay, let's see. We have 2 more minutes, but I'm not going to risk it anymore. So, let me just quickly make... So, what do we need for solder? Solder, there we go. 1 megapascal of cold gas. So, we can only do this at night. I will empty out the furnace. There we go. And when it's... Oh yeah, that's not good. Because we are going to have a storm during the night. Oh well, maybe in the next in the following night. So, in the meantime, let's see, we need the weather. Okay, so the auto light is also upgraded. You can turn off now. What can we make with you? Let's see, so... Having a centrifuge would be nice. So we can recycle things we don't need. I think the most important thing for us right now is... You know what? I've been waiting quite a long time for this. I think we are going to do walls. Yes. Let's see, for that we need steel. We have only 42 grams. Let me just do the actual walls and I will do the ceiling and the floor later. I mean, for the floors I will do just grating, I think. And for that we need iron. So, the storm has started and we are making 57 kilowatts. That is pretty nice. So. You go here and you go here, and first let me start with the gratings. So we are in a 3x6. We need 18 of these. Let's make it 19 for the airlock as well. 3, and this will be like this. I will make it oriented this way. And now we have floors. Oh wait, that one is now stuck on there. Let me just quickly pick it up. There we go. Now I can place it down and that's it. Oh yeah, and make sure we don't actually bury any of our materials. Make sure when you place the floors, there's nothing on the actual floors. So, there we go. Let's not hide the silicone or the lead. Anything else? Let me take a look behind. I don't see anything falling behind, so I will place the floors again. So, and also I will make sure to save the gold and the copper. So we need 1, 2, 8 more. Also, I will pick these up so they don't get buried. There we go. So, how many we have? We need 3 more. And it's done. So, next up I will make... Let's see, we have quite a few options. The flat walls I think I will place on the ceiling, because they don't have any features. Geometric walls... Let me see in the Stationpedia. Wall. So, let's see. Yeah, the geometric walls would be kind of interesting. These composite walls are a bit meh. So I think I will go with geometric walls. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, let's go with 16. For what those are printing, I will place down these. Oh yeah. I think I will move this one a little bit and put this one on the wall. So. How much I did? I said 16, right? Let's go with 10 for now. Collect. And then I will see how much we need exactly. So for you, for now, you will go here. Let me put this one on the wall. Where is it? Drill. So I think you will go fine here. Then we need the screwdriver. Then the hand drill. So you will go here. Just one step over. And then I will assemble you. And we are running low on hydrogen filters. You see? Exactly what I wanted to do. So at this point, we have enough water, I think. I will wait for it to cool down and bring it inside. And as soon as the storm is over, I will go outside and switch out the filter. So let's see, let me rewire a couple things. There we go. I will move, let's see. We only need a data port. There we go. We just need one more. And we have in our pockets, perfect. So you will go here. You are still operating. I will rename you to the mouse. Programming housing. Okay. So at this point we have no reason not to place down the grates. There we go, and we have a nice little floor in the base. So we can turn you off, we can put you away. Also, we now keep everything in our tool belt. Keep everything organized. Anything else? Anything else? I think I will put, let's see, put you here, and I will keep the duct tape in my tool belt as well. So as for the walls, so we are just barely able to see the outline of the geometric shapes. So let's see. I think this is the corner. I think, wait, this is it, I think. So for this one we need steel sheets. Do we have any left over? We have 2. We only have 2, that's fine. So you will look like this. So the other one is, again, we are just barely able to see the outline of the pattern. You will go like this. I think I like this. So let me just place down some of it. So you are going to be a straight piece on the bottom of the wall. Then a corner. No, wait, there we go. Make sure we line everything up as we want them. No. Like this. Let me print out a couple steel sheets. So steel sheets, please. You will go here, perfect. You will be here, and there we go. Things are progressing nicely. And we will definitely need to go for another steel mining expedition. Okay, so for now, let's see how far we can go with this. So we need a straight piece in the back wall. And then another corner piece like this. There we go. And one more. There we go. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more walls. Maybe 5, because I would like to keep this one accessible. So let's see. Wall, geometric wall, give me 5 more. And then I will also need the sheets. You turn off for now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So give me the sheets, please. Three, 4, and 5. Let me print one more for the half gram. That's it. So you will be, yeah, you will have to be a straight piece. I think you as well. You will be a corner piece. Here we have an iron wall. Let me quickly put down the actual walls. So you will go like this. Now things are starting to take shape. So let's see. Let me quickly pick up the walls I don't want here. Anything else? Yeah, one more here and here. Okay, you go in there. There we go. So we have only 2. We need, oh yeah, I didn't want to put this one here. So you will come with me. There we go. Okay, and all 3 will go on this back wall. So you will go this way, you will go this way, and you will be a straight piece on the bottom. There we go. Now all the cabling and pipes and everything is behind walls. So much cleaner looking like this. Yeah, I like it a lot. Maybe I will do the edges with the same geometric walls as well. You know what? How much steel we have? 20 grams. Let me print one more. Or wait. I think I will print one door for now. For this one. Because I would like to... Where is my copper? Let me just show you. Easier to show you than to explain. So we need the copper, which is not here, which is here. There it is. So please give me a door kit. There it is. So we are not going to place a door, we are going to place a roll cover. So let's rotate it so I can access the handle. There we go. If you want to access the IC chip, I just need to move the cover. There we go. But this one is a bit ugly. And I cannot have the IC housing dangling in the air. It has to have support. Maybe if I place down a frame. I will deal with this later. For now, let's just keep this open and leave it at that. So maybe since we were out for 2 mining trips, I believe we might be okay. Okay, so the storm is over. I think I will bring in this water. We are still cooling down the base, but 47. I think we can handle this much hot water. So as I was saying, we were out for 2 mining trips, so I think we have a little bit more time on this episode. Okay, I think I will stop with this. And we have 228 moles of water inside. You turn off. Let me check that flooring idea I had. So, print me geometric walls. Oh, everything's inside here already. Let me pick up these grates. Just along the wall. Okay, that's enough. So we can only stack these grates at 10, it seems. Okay, so let's make sure we put everything inside our printers so we don't actually bury anything. Putting them inside the tool printer is not exactly ideal. Anyway, so we have these geometric walls. What if I put this on the floor as a corner piece facing this way? Let me take out my iron sheet, steel sheet, and yeah, I think I like it. So you will be like this, and you will be a straight piece. You will be a straight piece as well. So let me just quickly print 4 more steel sheets. Okay, so let's see. 1. There we go. Oh, that's all I have. Okay. You know what? I like it, I think. I think I will have this as my floor. Hydration critical. In fact, I think I will have these on the corner and have grating in the middle. Yeah, I think I like it. So you turn off. I don't want to go outside for the steel in this episode. I will do it in the next one. Tell you what, let me just quickly put down these floors and I will call it an episode. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This, I don't think we have enough steel. So let me just, I don't know, print enough for 5. And I think I will put the gratings on the ceiling. And when we have more steel, I will finish things up. So, there we go. Straight piece facing towards the wall. You will be a corner piece, that's it. Yeah, I like this. So let me just quickly put the remaining grating on the ceiling. And I will make sure that, let's see, use some other pattern. Maybe this one. Maybe not so much. I will think I will change it in the next episode, but I don't think I have any more time. So for now, I will leave it at that. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and maybe subscribe to the channel if you want. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye bye.